Hey guys, it's Catherine here. I know you all are here for this hairstyle, so why not grab your popcorn, or if you're already in the process of making this hair, grab your tools while I get you through the process.
Yeah. I go now.
To begin this hairstyle, as usual, I washed and moisturized my hair the previous day. So right now, I'm moisturizing again with this leave-in conditioner, TCB leave-in conditioner. I'll go ahead and massage it well enough into my scalp, then comb out, brush out even. Okay, I didn't show that part. But anyway, so right now, I'll go ahead and start sectioning with my, I've forgotten the name of this comb, but yeah, this comb. Okay, I will section from ear to ear, a straight line from ear to ear. Okay, now I'm working with the front part. I'll part my hair or section out my hair a very tiny little bit, straight line. Okay, I'll clip the waist so they don't get in my way. Then start cornrowing this one. Guys, if you know how to cornrow, if you know how to twist, anyone can work with this hairstyle. I guess I should show you all a twist video because I always mention twist or cornrow, but I have actually never done a twist on my hair. I will do a video on that, a video of how to twist out your hair in case you don't know how to cornrow. I will repeat the process on this one, part out a tiny bit of my hair, then start cornrowing. Okay, I decided to make this clip a very slow one so you guys can see how exactly I am doing this whole cornrow thing. Okay, just you'll be using your two hands for this. To be honest, I don't know how to describe what I'm doing here. Okay, I am just interchanging using two hand or three fingers from each hand, if that makes sense. Three fingers, I guess. 3 fingers from each hand, if that makes sense. Interchanging occasionally. Just watch what I am doing. Okay, just watch what I'm doing. I bet you will understand better. So this is how I'll be cornrowing the rest of my hair in these front rows, and yeah. So I am done cornrowing the front rows. See guys, if you ask me the reason I laid down my edges just after cornrowing the front, I can't tell. I am still racking my head to know why I did that. Now that I'm doing the voiceover of this video, I'm racking my head to remember the reason I did that, but I just couldn't. So anyways, I'll be cornrowing the back, but this time around I'll be parting or sectioning the back in chunky ways, you know, so we don't slip on this cornrow part. I've parted out the first one. 4 cornrows at the front went into this particular one. So that is to tell you how chunky I am sectioning it. Okay, so you have to make yours chunky enough, otherwise you're gonna slip on this hairstyle, and that's not what we want. Since overall I finished this hair in less than 2 hours, so you got to do what you got to do to cut down the amount of time you were supposed to spend on it. You don't necessarily have to make it all the way neat. It's not compulsory for it to, you know, the one at the back is not compulsory for it to appear all the way neat since you're doing it yourself. So don't stress yourself, don't push yourself too hard. Just cornrow. You can even twist, provided there is something there, something that can hold the hair extension we'll be using for this hairstyle. Okay, after all, you guys saw the hair earlier from the thumbnail or even before the video started. The hair is pretty a full one, so it's not something that can easily show the back of your hair in between the back of your hair. So as soon as I cornrow to the down, I will go ahead and add the ends of the other one, the first one I cornrowed, then cornrow together. This is how I will be doing it. Once I get to the down, I will add the previous one to it, then cornrow together till this. In total, I have about 8 cornrows at the back. So right now I'm trying to hide the last tail into it using my crochet pin, you know. Push my crochet pin through one side, then put the ends of the hair into it, just like I'm doing it, okay? So this is the hair extension I will be using for this hairstyle. This hair is so soft, so loose, so full. I used only one pack for this hairstyle. I got the hair extension from a beauty supply store around me. It is called Freedom Braids Collection, and this particular one is called Mara Crow. The length is 12 inches. So right now I'll go ahead and start crocheting. Put my crochet pin. I've done a lot of crochet hairstyle on this channel. All I do is put my crochet pin onto my hair, insert it into my cornrow, then put the hair extension onto the hook of the crochet pin, pull it out, pass the hair through the lobe of the hair extension, then pull it out. Easy peasy. I will continue with that process till I feel like the back is full enough, then move to the front afterwards. A few people have asked me in my previous hairstyle videos links to the hair extensions I use. I'm sorry I haven't been adding that. I will try to add this. I will look for the link of this hair extension and add it in my description box, so do check it out. Gradually, the hairstyle is coming together. If you don't want yours to be as full as mine, you can space out crocheting the hair extension onto your hair, or better still, you can space out the cornrow much more than I did mine, especially in the front. You can make yours a bit bigger than mine, okay? So I'm done filling in the inside. So now I want to fill out the outside, looking for traces of cornrow, so I can crochet them and cover them up a little bit so they won't be, screaming cornrow, crochet hair, that kind of stuff. So yeah, still trying to fill the inside since I have some leftover hair extensions, and also I want to fill out the places I know I will be parting whenever I'm rocking my hair, like this particular place, for example, the middle as well. I'll fill out those places because definitely I'll be rocking my hair, side parting, middle parting. And I am done, guys. So right now I'm laying down my edges. I've gone ahead to take my shower, change into a clean clothes. I decided not to make up because I sweat a lot. Whenever I make up my face after my hairstyle, I always feel so uncomfortable and I sweat in the process, you know, to the point that my face almost starts looking white. So I decided not to make up my face in this hairstyle tutorial. Hope you all like it. Hope you all love the hairstyle like I do, because I do love the hairstyle. I rocked the hell out of this hairstyle. The hairstyle looks so good, so light, and above all, reusable. Look at that. Baby girl is so feeling herself.
Yeah.
We've come to the end of this video, guys. Do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, share if you can, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.